Hi, today I'm reviewing the APLB Snail Mucin Ginseng Ampoule Serum. And really quick, I purchased all these products with my own money. If you want to help support the channel, check out the links below. Subscribe to my newsletter. Check out my second channel. I've been doing some kind of fun videos on that. I will link to it below. Be sure to check it out. It's kind of fun and really kind of different than the things I do on this channel. It's kind of random things, I'll say. So, okay, so I got a comment the other day, like, she seems very smart, but one day she's wearing orange, the next day it's green, the next day it's like fluorescent pink, and now I'm shiny, and I've got giant earrings on. I just love things that are shiny, so I don't know. I guess when I get to be like 80 and I'm wearing shiny stuff, it'll be kind of,
You're going to be the old lady with crazy glasses.
Oh, yeah, glasses are fun. Yeah, so, whatever. I don't know. I like shiny and sparkly. I just can't help it. If it sparkles, I'm into it. Okay. That's why certain stores, like, like Banana Republic or Ann Taylor, it's like, that's for, like, people that are put together. Like, I'm not put together. I'm just going to buy, like, the $5 sparkly shirt and go with that. Okay, so, on to the product. So I say, infused with a nourishing blend of snail mucin and ginseng root extract, this ampoule serum easily combats signs of early aging while promoting a lit-from-within glow. The powerful formula is balanced out by a mix of skin soothers and hydrators, including Centella, Asiatica leaf water, sodium hyaluronate, and squalane. Formulated free of 9 potentially irritating ingredients such as artificial fragrance, this ampoule is suitable for sensitive skin. Kind of torn on that one, so, but I'll touch on that in a second. So. Okay, first criteria is packaging. Comes in a plastic dropper bottle. Let's see. And it's got the little date on the bottom, which is nice, 2027. So no issues with the packaging. Dropper bottle, they're here to stay. In terms of denatured drying types of alcohol, it does not contain any of those. And it has no scent, but it does contain tea tree extract. Tea tree extract is not as scented as tea tree oil would be. Tea tree extract and tea tree oil both have soothing, antimicrobial, and antiseptic properties. The essential oil gives a strong herbal scent, and the extract does not. I don't notice any scent at all with this, but some people may be sensitive to the extract. The oil, it's much more likely people would be sensitive to than the extract, but it does have artificial fragrance, but it technically is a fragrance ingredient with some benefits for skin. But yeah, sensitive skin, just FYI, I do a patch test, just to be on the safe side. Okay, the manufacturing location for this one is Korea, so no issues with that. So ease of use. Okay, so ease of use, very easy to use. It has like a goopy texture to it, kind of like snail mucin, obviously. So you're going to apply it to skin after cleansing and toning, but before moisturizer. Goopy texture, a little bit goes a long way. If you apply it a little bit over a toner or an essence before it totally dries, it kind of seals in some moisture, and then you can pat it onto your skin to help it soak in. You can certainly use it morning or evening. I'm using it right now, and it's very nice on my skin. But those with oilier skin might not prefer to use it in the daytime. They might rather use it at night. But, I mean, it just depends on your other products because, if you're oily and you're already going to use it, and then you're going to use a sunscreen that may be very moisturizing, and then a foundation, then it becomes a lot for oily skin. So just play around with it. But for my dry skin, I can use this under a moisturizer, under a sunscreen, under a foundation, and it still doesn't matter because my skin is that dry. So yeah, so morning and night works nice on the neck and décolleté area as well, which I really like for that. So, and then once it soaks in, it's not sticky, but it is radiant finish. Okay, beneficial ingredients in this one. So, we've got Centella Asiatica leaf water, which is a hydrating and soothing ingredient. We've got eggplant extract, which is an antioxidant. We've got hydrolyzed collagen, a nice hydrating ingredient. Beta-Glucan, soothing, humectant, antioxidant. Man, it's cold in our basement. It's very cold. It's like, well, all winter it's freezing. You know what I mean? It's cold. Okay, then we've got sea buckthorn extract, which is an antioxidant, source of flavonoids, moisturizing ingredient. We've got lotus extract, which is an antioxidant. We've got Artemisia Annua extract, which is a moisturizing ingredient, and it can also help prevent transepidermal water loss. Also antioxidant soothing. Rice extract, soothing ingredient. Saccharomyces ferment, skin conditioning ingredient. Ferment of yeast with soothing and anti-aging benefits. We've got Saccharomyces ferment, skin conditioning ingredient. Then we've got the snail secretion filtrate, which is hydrating, soothing, skin repairing, antioxidant. It can help increase fibroblasts, proliferation of the skin. It may help calm dermatitis, especially dermatitis from radiation. And can also help with the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And we love snail mucin here. Okay, then we've got the ginseng root extract, which is good antioxidant emollient. We've got 3 compounds from Centella. We've got madecassic acid, asiaticoside, and asiatic acid, which are all wound healing. They all have collagen-producing benefits, skin repairing, soothing, and antioxidant. We've got squalane, skin identical ingredient, antioxidant, panthenol, skin soothing and wound healing. We've got sodium hyaluronate. We've got glucose, fructose. They're all humectants. Licorice root, which is skin soothing. Inulin, which is a prebiotic. And panthenol, which is skin soothing and wound healing. So really nice ingredient list for something so affordable. So, okay, in terms of animal testing, this is cruelty-free. As per several different websites that have it listed as cruelty-free. So, Ike is making a little bed now. I put a rug down here for him, and now he's making a bed, and there's a notepad on the floor, and he's just gonna make it his own little bed. Okay. Ike, you wanna come be in a video for a second? Ike, come say hi. Ike, you wanna come say hi? No. Ike, come say hi. Everyone can hear you in every video panting. Which someone said was relaxing, so at least somebody found it relaxing, I guess. I certainly don't. Ike, careful. Well, he's really working hard on making this bed, so. Okay. Alrighty then. Okay. Okay, on to performance. So for what this product promises, it promises to combat signs of early aging while promoting a lit within glow. And it contains a mix of skin soothers and hydrators suitable for sensitive skin. I would say it certainly accomplishes most of those, with the exception of being friendly for the most sensitive skin because of that tea tree extract. There may be some people with extremely sensitive skin that may not appreciate it. It also has a kind of a longer ingredient list, so sometimes when you're trying to placate sensitive skin, sometimes a short ingredient list can be better, just because the more ingredients you start to get, the more likely you could be irritated by one of them. And Ike's gone. He was not happy with the bed he made. Okay, so, yeah, so very nice. If you, let's see. If you have extremely sensitive skin, the product I would probably recommend would be the Cosrx Snail Essence. It's the closest in terms of texture and things like that. Or the Cosrx Snail Cream. Those don't have any fragrance in it, have a short ingredient list. So, okay, for acne-prone skin, the only ingredient of note is squalane. So, pretty friendly for acne-prone skin. Then in terms of the price, so it's a full size, 1 ounce, 30 milliliters, and retails for $9. You can't beat that with anything these days. And I think they have a set of 2 as well. So if you're really interested in it, I think the set of 2 makes it even more affordable. And then last but not least, the It Factor. Very nice product, very affordable. It'll work best for, in my opinion, dry skin that is not sensitive. But it's very nice, and when now you see it soaked in, it does give skin a really nice finish and glow to it. So, very nice. Certainly worth checking out. It's very nice, very affordable, anti-aging product, and you can add it in your routine pretty easily. So, really like it. The only thing I dislike is that tea tree extract for some people could be an issue. So, okay, so with a 10 being a perfect score, I have this one a 9. Definitely worth checking out. I'm very excited about this brand because they have some really nice affordable products, and most of them aren't scented or heavily scented at that, so it makes them worth checking out. So, yeah. Anyway, interested hearing from you guys if you had a chance to check this one out yet or not. And if you have what your thoughts are, leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thanks so much. Bye, guys.